how will be the function of this graph? 1 by x to the power n. अभी ऐसा था 1 by x to the power n. Here n is even. If n is even, this graph will be there. If n is odd, so देखो इसका कैसे बनेगा पहले. So again, it is very simple. These all graphs are approaching zero here. So this will become infinity. This will become zero. So it will look something like this. The shape will be this. Again, आप कौन सा ऊपर आएगा कौन सा नीचे आएगा, that is the only thing that we need to decide. Again, if you have a graph of 1 by x and 1 by x square, and if I draw it on the same axis, how will they look like? ठीक है ना, कौन सा ऊपर आएगा कौन सा नीचे, because shape of both of them will be same, है ना, shape is the same, shape are we all convinced about. So for that you just take a value which is smaller than 1. So 1 is a very crucial point we have already seen. If I take a value which is greater than 1, for example 2, the value of first will be 1 by 2. ये आ रहा है 1 by 2, ये आ रहा है 1 by 4. Which will be up, which will be down? We can clearly see that 1 by x square will be नीचे and 1 by x will be ऊपर. It will look something like this. So just take a value and figure the values out. If I put 1 by 2, if I take values of x between 0 and 1, put x is equal to 1 by 2. Again, you can verify that. If I put 1 by 2, the first will become 2, the second will become 4. And that is the reason that for the values smaller between 0 and 1, the red graph is above. So this is 1 by x. अच्छा, ये square होना चाहिए था, ये raised to the power 4 होना चाहिए. But the same logic same. आप देख लेना, मैं मिटा देता हूँ, calculation कर रहा था. So if I take a value greater than 1, between 0 and 1, you can verify. So this is like x raised to the power 4, and this black curve is like 1 by x. Is this concept clear? Now this same logic will be happening. Thing will be happening on the right side as well. ये आ गया basically 1 by x to the power 4, and this curve is nothing but 1 by x. Here again I have told the same thing. ये अच्छा ग्राफ बना हुआ है, so I will not destroy a good graph that has been already drawn here. इसमें सब बना हुआ है, आप यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. ये सेम चीज मैंने यहाँ दिखा रखी है.